Welcome to this MachineBuilder Quick Tips video on the Parts Library Discovery. The Parts Library, located on the left side of your screen, contains all the components you will need to design your assembly. It's divided into 6 categories: Parts, Add-ons, Software, My Models, Public Models, and Favorites. The Parts section contains all the components supplied by Vention that you can design with. It's organized into subcategories for easy discovery, and clicking on one of them will expand them to see all components housed within. The part viewer located at the bottom of the library shows details of the most recently selected component, including the name, part number, price, and stock availability. At the top of the parts library, you have a search bar to quickly find specific components. The add-on section contains additional components that can be added directly to your cart. It's divided into subcategories similarly to the parts section. However, it should be noted that these parts are not modeled as 3D components in your assembly. The software section allows you to add specific software packages directly to your cart. Like add-ons, these do not appear as 3D components in your design. My Models section includes models that are created by you or your team. These components can be added to your design, but won't be listed in your cart as they aren't supplied by Vention. The Public Models section includes free environmental models provided by Vention. Like imported models, they do not appear in your final cart. The Favorites section contains your favorite or starred parts. The components in this section are organized by category. To save a part to your favorite section, you can click on the star icon in the top right corner of a component tile.